Cost of collaborative divorce. The collaborative divorce process is one of the most productive methods of divorce for couples. This future-focused approach can help save time and money as both sides work together to reach an agreement. Finding an agreement that's right for everyone involved can be accomplished by working together. While the cost of a collaborative divorce varies, many professionals are adopting a flat fee model so you know what your costs are up front. Other professionals charge for their services on an hourly basis. Cost of a collaborative divorce. When thinking about costs, it's important to remember that the cost of divorce extends beyond money. Regardless of the type of proceedings, you must take into account the time lost and the emotional cost these proceedings may have, especially if there are children involved. In terms of monetary impact, the cost of collaborative divorce can be significantly lower than traditional litigation. Because every case is unique, the exact cost of a collaborative divorce can vary from couple to couple. Each professional on the collaborative team sets his or her own fees. Hourly rates or advance deposit retainer arrangements will differ depending on the professional you choose. The overall cost of the collaborative case often depends less on how complex the issues are or how many professionals are included on the team. If the spouses aren't cooperating with their professional team members or do not participate in the process in good faith, with an eye toward making decisions for the best outcome of the family. The overall costs may be significantly higher than if the spouses cooperate in the process to the fullest extent. Contact a bestlegalchoices.com professional to learn more about the cost of a collaborative divorce to see if this approach is right for you. What is collaborative divorce? Collaborative divorce is a private out-of-court process where both sides work together to reach an agreement. In a collaborative divorce, each spouse must have his or her own lawyer but the spouses also work together with other professionals such as a financial neutral to help gather and interpret financial information, a communication specialist to help prepare each spouse for difficult conversations, and to keep the conversation focused on a future or a child specialist to give children a voice in the process. Reasons to choose a collaborative divorce. Because a collaborative approach to divorce focuses on working together, you can avoid the emotional costs of a messy divorce. This voluntary process teaches separating spouses how to effectively communicate and work together to move forward. It allows both parents and children to avoid unnecessary anger and resentment through a healthy process that results in the best possible outcome. Pros and cons of a collaborative divorce. There are a number of reasons this forward-thinking process has gained popularity with separating couples. Some reasons for choosing collaborative divorce include discreet and confidential. The collaborative approach bypasses open court proceedings, which may result in public records. Supplemental Services. This process provides both sides access to a number of family law experts within various specialties. These professionals can include mental health professionals, child specialists, financial experts, as well as supplemental attorney services. Less wasted time. Because this process is voluntary, it's more likely both sides will honor the contractual agreement you both spent time creating and drafting once the divorce is finalized. Budget-friendly. In most cases, the cost of a collaborative divorce is significantly lower than traditional options like litigation. It's important to note that a collaborative approach isn't right for everyone. In situations where there are criminal allegations or any type of abuse, a collaborative divorce may not be the best choice. So what happens if you start the collaborative process and the two of you can't or won't reach an agreement? If you cannot reach an amicable agreement, both parties will need to find new attorneys and begin the divorce process again. Additionally, it's imperative that both sides fully trust each other during the process. You must trust each other to openly and honestly put forth and disclose all assets and debts. In cases of divorce, it's not uncommon to have mistrust, so be sure to thoroughly consider your option. Collaborative divorce is a peaceful divorce option. Divorce litigation can be scary and emotionally draining for you, your spouse, and your children. But it doesn't have to be that way with collaborative divorce. The collaborative process can result in a less expensive, more efficient, and less harmful outcome for everyone involved. The legal, financial, and communication professionals at Best Legal Choices can help you navigate this difficult time in your life.